Okay, I must ask you a question here. What do you think the ending meant? According to you, what was your interpretation of the ending?
Okay.
Because there are four different things I think which you can
Yeah.
take the ending as.
Oh,
Yeah.
so this is what I think it means now. Even I'm thinking about it as we speak. Also, so like, tell me if I'm right. So basically,
No, nobody knows if you're right because it's not been
yeah, yeah,
confirmed. They're
yeah.
just
No,
four major
tell
theories.
me if it's what you think also.
Okay, yeah.
So apparently they died in the plane crash in the past, and
Okay.
then it's like the future, as they said, and
Yeah.
and the mother, like she comes across the rich guy, like they show at the
Yeah.
estate, and he's like, oh, I'm building this, whatever, whatever,
Yeah.
and somehow she ends up helping him. I don't remember,
Hmm.
and somehow she wants
She
the
gets a
building to,
degree in a lot of scientific stuff.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
basically.
Somehow she builds it like a school and blah blah blah, and
Yeah.
basically she recreates them like the creatures, like in the lab, to live in that world.
You mean they clone the
Yeah,
students and the passengers? Okay.
either it's that or it's a simulation. I thought the characters, it's like, oh, because in the end she says, right now you'll be able to live in this world I created or stuff. So either she
Hmm.
Jurassic Parks them into existence, or it's like some kind of weird like biological simulation, not like this thing one, a cyber
Hmm.
simulation. So either it's those two were my thoughts.
Yeah. So basically, the cloning one is one of the main
Mm-hmm.
theories,
Yeah.
but the theory is that they are cloned,
Mm-hmm.
they are kept in the airplane, and their memories restart from that point in their life. So basically, the logic is that they take DNA from each of the members of the
Yeah.
plane, and they take it from their homes and they recreate them using the DNA, and then they give them their memories till that point, and then it continues forward from
Mm-hmm.
there. But the biggest problem with this logic, with this theory, is that for them to have placed the clones and for the clones to get activated,
Yeah.
somebody else should have been alive on the island, and there
Exactly.
was nobody.
Mm-hmm. Well, there
So
was
all the
Hades, I
scientists
guess. I
died.
don't know.
Hades was also wearing the
Oh yeah, he
school
was wearing
uniform
a
that the
school
others were.
uniform. That's correct. Yeah, yeah,
Oh, by
yeah.
the way, Hades, we literally do not know what happened to Hades.
Fuck
Literally
knows.
no information about him, who
Yeah.
he is, what he was trying to do,
Nothing.
nothing. It's just so weird. But yeah, so what I theorized was
Mm-hmm.
that the scientists had like a system where it would automatically activate, and they were working on it, but then shit happened, and they all this virus came out, they all died, and all the animals broke loose after that. And once that happened, these guys clones set got activated at whatever time they got
Yeah,
activated
but
at.
I think they, even if they got activated, they can't get activated mid-air in an airplane. That was probably like
Yeah,
going
yeah,
on
the
in their
airplane was
head.
kept on the ground,
Yeah,
and that's where it,
exactly.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why the pilot says, if you remember, he says it wasn't my skill that landed the plane, because he's like, I was in the sky and then suddenly I'm
Yeah,
on the ground. What is going on
but
here?
also
So
the fresh
that also
bodies.
explains the blackness in the
Mm-hmm.
middle of the
But then there are lots
this thing.
the fresh bodies of the people who they find and stuff, like the staff pilot and other students and stuff. Like they were created just in the just for the purpose of dying, or was that
No,
what
none
happened
of them
in that
actually
run?
died. None of them actually died in the flight, or they were all alive.
No, but I'm saying throughout, like a lot of students and everyone died, right? In the beginning also,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
a lot of
yeah,
miscellaneous characters just died, like getting.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So they were just, those clones were made with billions of dollars just for them to die. I don't know. The journey wasn't planned, of course, but
No, so the thing
it
is,
was
right?
selfish because she wanted to do it for her son and Rion, because she says like you and Rion will be together or some shit like that in the end.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No, so the thing is, like, they wanted to do it for the children,
Huh.
but they couldn't go tell that to world government. So they
Yeah.
told them that they were using DNA to clone
Mm-hmm.
ancient creatures.
Yeah.
So that got their attention, but they made clones of the children as well, because that's their secret project. So that's one theory. The
Yeah.
other theory, okay, the worst theory of them all is that the entire manga
Huh.
is basically Akira's mom dreaming about it
That
right
is
before she
bullshit. No,
dies.
I deny that. I hate
Because
dream theories. That shit is bullshit.
because
Anything is a
her because
dream.
the last thing she does is, I had a dream where Akira and his friends
Yeah,
were all
yeah.
in the, yeah.
Correct, correct.
So that's one thing. Another theory is time travel. So basically, her Akira's mom and everybody involved in the time crash were all praying to God to help them in some way
Yeah.
or the other because nothing was found, right? So the theory is that through some divine intervention, the plane was taken from the present where it was supposed to crash
Yeah.
and put into the future. But it was put so far into the future that it's only when the island was fully developed.
Or when the mother
So-
tried making, like, but I don't
Yeah,
know.
so the logic is they made an island where the plane crashed.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay, so that's the main basis for the island. They made it at the site
they
where the plane
predicted-
went missing.
They
So
predicted
basically
that they would go in the future, or it was just a chance.
No, they didn't predict it. So they wanted to make a grave for these guys over there. That's why they were working so. That's why his mother was working so passionately about it, because she was like, I could never see my son. I couldn't even say goodbye to him. So I will make this his final burial ground. But then because they made that final burial ground, because they made that island, the plane managed to stop and crash over there.
Oh, I see. Okay, in the future, that at that
Yeah,
point
in the
in
future.
time when it
Yeah.
was crashing, I see.
Yeah.
I don't know. That seems like a theory. Time travel is always a thing, but I don't know. It seems to all the theories seem too unlikely.
Yeah, all the theories do seem unlikely. But see, the thing is, right, if they were clones,
Yeah.
it doesn't explain why they put so many dangerous animals there, which would have killed them anyway.
Yeah,
But if they did time travel, it means they couldn't control.
they couldn't
the
control
whole,
exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, and they just
Yeah.
time traveled there.
Yeah, there are
so
lots
that seems
of
to be
problems.
the most.
Even though them, like humans being able to clone like proper independent thinking sentient clones of dead people,
Yeah.
like, dude, that's
Yeah.
crazy. Like, that's a huge step.
That is crazy. But well, they have cloned like hundreds of different extinct animals.
Yeah, that's true.
And human DNA is easier to get than animal DNA.
Yeah,
you know?
that's true. And these, yeah, exactly. It was weird. Yeah.
And there is one more theory towards the end.
Mm-hmm.
So if you notice it multiple times during the whole manga,
Yeah.
they keep saying we didn't see a single plane, we didn't see a single ship, right? Now, the island is confirmed to be near Guam, right? So it's impossible that they didn't see a single flight or a ship
Yeah,
from where they were,
impossible, yeah.
because it was very close.
Yeah.
Why didn't they see it? Can you guess why they didn't see it?
I don't know. I have no idea, dude. I don't
So
even
here's
know
the
where the
last
island
theory.
is. Yeah. I don't know if,
One
if the
helicopter
island
was
actually
missing, if you
exists.
remember.
Oh yeah, one helicopter was. Well, it was the one on the floor or what?
No, there were two helicopters in the site. One was
Okay.
on the floor and one helicopter was missing.
Huh.
So, this theory is that the virus that got out, the symbiote thingy, it wasn't an accident. It was intentionally put out to wipe out all the scientists there. And it's been confirmed that there were multiple bottles with that virus, right?
That's true. Yeah.
So the theory is that someone attacked the place, let the virus out, killed everybody, took the remaining virus and went and spread it across the world, creating a horrible pandemic. And because the pandemic, humanity gets wiped, and they are not able to see any planes or ships because there are no
Oh.
humans left to go through those
So they are
planes
the
or
only
ships.
humans alive in this.
They are the
planet,
only humans
basically.
alive, so
What
they
the
have no
fuck?
idea what they're going to see in Tokyo.
It's fucking
So
dark.
when they reach Japan, they have no idea if people will actually be there.
Yeah.
And that, I think it makes sense because that's why he said the cage of Eden, because life is starting
Yeah,
from scratch
exactly.
again.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, actually, that fits like the whole title perfectly, because it is a cage and it is the rebirth where they are stuck there, right, of humanity again.
Yeah.
So that does
Yeah.
fit the whole manga properly. It does make sense, but with the way the ending went, it's still very, very weird, dude. I don't know.
Yeah,
With the whole future thing,
apparently he had multiple plans and he had multiple ideas to take it further.
he did get
but
cancelled, right?
He got cancelled.
Yeah.
And they had to rush the ending.
Damn it. It would have been really
People
good if
hate
you
the
would have...
last 3 chapters in specific.
Yeah, dude, because it just went like deep dive like crazy right after that.
Yeah,
I think
basically.
like if he had given him more time, it would have been better, because he would have gotten time to think about it and think about all his
Yeah,
options and plan it properly, instead of like just figuring out the thing that was on his head at that time, right, when he was being pressured to
that's
finish
true.
it. Yeah.
Yeah,
So that
but
is,
well,
but it was an
okay.
adventure.
Now, is there anything you want to talk about this? Because I'm going to go off topic, and I think we'll end it after that.
About Cage of Eden, no, not
Cage of Eden.
specifically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, but do read, guys. Cage of Eden is
Yeah,
an
it's
amazing
yeah. By
manga.
the way,
Even
if you're this far and
even
you
if the
haven't
end,
read it for some reason and you heard all the spoilers, definitely
yeah,
read Cage of Eden. And one more
it's
thing,
still good. It's still very good. Art is amazing. We
Cage,
should take a second for the art. Art is
dude,
amazing.
freaking beautiful. He draws perverted stuff beautifully. He draws ancient
That's
monsters
true.
beautifully. He
That's
draws
true.
he draws backgrounds beautifully. He's an
That is also
amazing
true.
artist. Okay, he's a really good artist. He's a really good
Yeah, he is.
mangaka who's just kind of perverted, which is not bad. We are all men of culture over here. We all appreciate it. but